Everybody, so I got a quick tool unboxing from Harbor Freight. The previous video was just a tool haul, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so we're just going to unbox everything real quick. This is the 4-piece soapstone marker set with holders. It is 64070 for the ideal for welding, cutting, and fabrication. Resists high heat and water. Round and flat aluminum holders. Comes with 1 round and 1 flat refill. Those. Item 60633, 5-pack of flat soapstones. It's 5 of them. 12-volt battery to lighter extension. It is item 66407. Pop it off real quick. Attach red clamp to positive terminal. Attach black clamp to negative. 18 gauge coil cord. I'll put this in the electrical box we're standing doing this on. 12-volt extension. This is the item 67072. It's a 9-foot extension, which I'm assuming it's a 9-foot extension when you actually stretch it. Yeah, probably when you stretch it. It does have a cover. It's got nice retention. We'll see how well it works. I'll do a review on it later down the road, but just a quick little unboxing. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.